So this is a monopoly graph. I want to go over the four major intersections or points of interest on a monopoly graph you'll be asked about. The first will be profit maximization. Profit maximization is going to occur where marginal cost equals marginal revenue. So this is going to be quantity one. It's really important to remember that our demand curve is the price curve. So you don't want to go over to the y-axis. This is at this point in the y-axis. That's the cost of, that's the marginal cost value and the marginal revenue value. What we want is the price the consumers are paying. So you go up to the demand curve and then go over. This is going to be my Q1 and P1. The next intersection is socially optimal. This is where marginal cost, think of it as supply, intersects demand. This is where a perfectly competitive market would produce. There's no deadweight loss here. This is total surplus maximized. And this is going to be Q2. Q3 is the revenue maximized. Revenue is going to be maximized when marginal revenue is 0. So again, sorry, I have to go over set my price. It was P2. And I'm going to go up to my demand curve again and over. And here's my revenue maximizing point. This is also going to be the unit elastic. Everything above it on the demand curve will be the elastic region of the demand curve. Everything below will be the inelastic region of the demand curve. And then my last one is going to be my fair market. That's zero economic profit. That's where average total cost is going to equal demand. It's also known as a normal profit. Those are the four major intersections. The last point of interest will be right here. This will be the productively efficient. Point, and that's where average total cost is minimized, because that's where marginal cost equals average total cost.